Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a question on seating arrangement. It says that there are 8 members of a family, 8 through H. They visited a restaurant and are sitting around a circular table facing the center. 4 of them are males and the rest are females. No two males or no two females are sitting adjacent. That means this statement means that they are sitting alternate. That is male, female like this. The female members have ages in the multiple of 13 years, while the male members have their ages in the multiples of 17 years. Okay. Now let us read these statements and try to find out what we can derive out of it. First says D and G are immediate neighbors and the difference between their ages is the maximum of all. If their age difference is the maximum, then one will be the oldest and the second will be the youngest. This is the oldest and the youngest pair. Okay. E is 1 year older than C. So let us look at the multiples of 13 and 17. Okay, so that will give us a hint that what could be their ages. So if you see this, only two numbers have a difference of 1. Okay, so this gives that E is equal to 52, right? 52 and 51. So let us make a table here with the ages of these people and later on we'll fill the seating arrangement as well. So E is 52, C is 51. Three people are sitting between D and H. Okay. Now, if three people are sitting between D and H, that means they are sitting opposite. So let us say this is D. So this will be H, opposite to each other. The immediate neighbors of B are younger than her. Now, then her means that B is a female. Okay. The person sitting to the immediate right of H is older than him and the one sitting to the immediate left is younger than him. So that means H is a male. Okay, so that means that D is also a male member. Okay, only one female is older than 50 years. Now this is a very valuable information. Only one female is older than 50 years. That means three females are less than 50 years. So this means that the age of the females are 13, 26, 39 and fourth one we know is 52. Okay, so these are the four ages of the four females. Now let us come to this point again that the immediate neighbors of B are younger than her. Now 52 is E. B cannot be 13 because no one is younger than 13. If B is 26, then there is only one person younger than 26. But both the immediate neighbors of B are younger than her. So that means B will be 39. So neighbors will be 17 and 34. So B is 39. Right, then the neighbors are 17 and 34 years of age, and the person sitting to the immediate right of H is older than him and the one to the immediate left is younger than him. Okay, so one will be older, one will be younger. Then there is one statement given that neither E nor G is a neighbor of H. Now E or G is not the neighbor of H. Okay, acha, one thing, see this D and G are oldest and youngest. We know the youngest person is 13. Okay, and D is a male, these are females and these are males. So D cannot be the youngest, so that means D is the oldest and youngest is G. So this means that G is 13 years old. Okay, now neither E nor G is a neighbor of H. So this 13 and 13 and 52 are not neighbors of H. So that means the neighbors of H are 26 and 39. Okay, 13 and 52 are not the neighbors of H. The person sitting to the immediate right is older than him. So it is older than This, that will be the older one, and the younger person is 26. Okay, so this means that between 26 and 39 there is only one multiple of 17, which is 34. So H will be 34 years of age. H is 34. We found out that this is B. B is 39. B 39, how we found out? Because it said that immediate neighbors of B are younger than her. Okay. Now we know that the neighbors of B must be 39. So the younger values are 34 and 17. So this is a person who is 17 years of age. Okay. These are all things done. And then we have is the sum of the ages of the immediate neighbors of F is 85 years. Okay. Now F must be a female because the neighbors will be males, and then now the sum is 85, which is a multiple of 17. So 85 you can get by 17 plus 68, or you can have 34 plus 51. Suppose I take 17 and 68. Let us take this case 17 and 68. So the neighbors of F is F should be 17 and 68. So this will give us F will come here. This will be 68. Okay. Now, if you see this, then in this case, this person will be G. Okay. In this case, this person should be G because D and G are immediate neighbors. Now G is there. Now, where will we place E in this case? E is a 52-year-old person. We cannot place E here. We cannot place E here. So that means this case is not possible. So this gives us the possibility that the only possibility that we will get is that the sum ages of the neighbors of F is 85, which is 34 and 51. So we know this is 34-year-old, right? So this will be F, and this will be 51 years person. Okay, now 51 is done. Now we have now let us try to find out these persons, who these could be. These are E and G. We know their ages. E is 52 and G is 13, but we do not know the positions. Okay, then we have two more people left, which are we are yet to fill A, and B is done. Yeah, C, this is 51, this is C. So this, the only person left is A. So A will be 17 years of age. Okay, so this will complete the arrangement. We could not find the positions of E and G, but we know their ages. Okay, so we know the ages of these people. We do not know the age of D, and we do not know the positions of G and E. Now the first question is, what is the age of F? F is 26 years old. Who is sitting opposite A? Opposite A we have C. If the total age of the persons is 317 years, what is the combined age of H and the person sitting opposite him? So let us add these ages. So we have, if you see these are first four multiples of 13. So 130 is this. If you add these four, you will get 130. Okay. If you add these four, you will get 170. Total comes as 300. So we need 17 more. We know 17 is an age of a person. We also know that 34 is an age of a person. We also know that 51 is an age of a person. So we need 300 plus 17 more. So this gives us that this person D must be 85 years of age. Okay, so that means D is 85 as per this condition. We do not know that age of D, but as per this condition, D is 85. So what is the combined age of H and the person opposite him? So H is 34 and D is 85. So the total age is 119. If G is sitting to the immediate right of D, who is opposite F? So if G is sitting here, E will be sitting here. Opposite F, we will have E. So this completes the arrangement, I mean with the possibilities and the questions along with it.